Alrighty boys, welcome back to another one. Today we're gonna throw in this STI front bumper lip on the STI. I'm so hyped to see how it's gonna look like. And here is the girl itself. So I went with the specific CS style one because I like the way it looks, and it's gonna eliminate the naked look we have right now. So I'm gonna get this car in and we're gonna start from there. I believe it's pretty much easy. Might need some drilling. We got some accessories with it, like the bolts and stuff, along with some clamps. Yeah, should be fine. So start with these two push pins to hold it in place so that we can align it, and we got this bracket here, or clamp, whatever. Yeah, this bracket, it goes down here, so it goes here. Same with the other side. And for everything else, we got a drill holes perpendicular to whatever holes we have in the lip, to the bumper. We start from here, 2 screws. There's a bracket here. The lip is all done, boys. Absolutely amazing. Alrighty boys, man, this is fucking crazy. But came along real good. Wow, awesome. Ooh. She's looking awesome with the lip. Pretty decent fitment. So fucking gorgeous. So I think it changed the entire look of the car. Like before it was kinda naked. Now as you can see, the naked look is gone. Thank you so much guys for watching. On the next video we'll be doing the same thing to the Genesis coupe. We're actually waiting for the parts to arrive.